Power tools use many ball bearings to allow various components to rotate. Over time, a ball bearing will wear and begin to fail. A bearing that is failing will usually give warning, often with a squeaking or a squealing sound. Replacing a ball bearing is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
There's a series of guide bearings on your portable bandsaw. Any one of them can go bad and will need to be replaced. I'll start by removing the screw that secures two of the stacked bearings. These bearings simply slide onto the screw. You'll have a bearing, a spacer washer, and the second bearing. If you need to replace the thrust bearing, go ahead and remove the second screw and bearings, and then I can use a magnet to pull the bearing and post away from the housing. To install a new bearing, I just slide it onto the axle or onto one of the screws. Then I can reinstall the thrust bearing and each of the double bearings. And I would repeat this for any of the bearings on the saw. And that's all it takes to replace a ball bearing in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.